Welcome to the week ahead for financial markets. Mike Smith, Senior Analyst and Head of Client Education and Training here to lead you around what could move sentiment this week. Let's have a look at 5 key factors that we think may influence pricing across all asset classes during the course of the next 5 days. Let's start with the US markets overall. That rally we saw has proved to be short-lived and the selling has resumed to the point where Friday's action pushed markets right back down to the low that we hit a couple of weeks ago. The question is there more to come? And one would suspect there might be. There are significant market pressures and concerns over the next few days. Let's just check out the Nasdaq as an example. Here you can see the Nasdaq futures on a daily chart. There was that rally we saw subsequent to this significant downturn, but you could see it was merely a retracement around about 30% of this drop from the record highs that we saw. The end of last week proved to be costly in terms of market valuations. You can see the big candle on Friday and a follow through today. So this essentially is a low point not seen since September. So 6-month lows on the major indices and back in correction territory. That's the concern, and there are several influencing factors on that, of course. The major one of which is tariff turmoil. April the 2nd appears to be a key day. That's when Trump's tariffs, Liberation Day as it's called it, come into play again. Tariffs in Mexico and Canada, the headline acts as well as the others that continue to be imposed by the US. And of course, there's a reciprocation of that from countries impacted. So watch for daily updates on these and other tariff action as the week unfolds. We do have global PMI data this week, and of course, that'll be viewed. PMI is a key data point to show whether economies are contracting or expanding. So those will be watched with interest. And of course, gold doesn't seem to care. It seems to be a flight to safety and continues to move higher and higher as the days go by. We breached 3,000, and during the course of last week, we've made our way up close to 3,100. And further buying in Asia today could see us breach that level in the next few days, should this buying pressure continue. And of course, on the data front, week of the month, we've got US jobs week. So we have the ADP report on Wednesday, weekly jobs on Thursday, and of course, that all important non-farm payrolls on Friday. That'll impact on Fed thinking and also play into the growth narrative as to whether we're seeing things fall off economically. Those are the things that could be key in what is undoubtedly going to be an interesting week for markets. Of course, you can get your updates every day at 12:30 Melbourne time with our live market update webinars and charts of the day. It'd be great to see you there if you can make it along. And of course, an inner circle session on Wednesday. This week, we are looking at the markets overall, doing a little bit of a deeper dive into what is happening now, why there is that risk off attitude, and of course, what may happen next. And of course, as a team, we're always here to help. So please connect with us and our amazing support department if you need to. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.